Hi, this is Pradeep from QSpiders Rajajinagar. One of our friend Iniya, she has got placed. She will just share the experience, how was the training done here and how was the interview process. Yeah, Iniya.
So, hello everyone, I am Iniya, I am from Tamil Nadu. I have joined the QSpiders in the month of May, and here almost my course was done. So here I gained more knowledge about the testing. Here training was very good, trainers teaching quality was very good. I gained more knowledge about testing. Now I can tell I am technically very good in Selenium, Java and manual testing and all. So I got, here my experience was too good. I would like to thank all HR, QSpiders and HR trainers, everyone. Thank you, QSpiders.
Which degree, which stream?
So I'm from BCA background. So I'm 2024 passed out with 73.8 percentage.
Good, congrats, all the very best.